Good morning, guys. I am literally using my light that I got with my laptop. It is 5:30 on the 31st of May. My hair is a mess. I just took my wig. I did my eyelashes yesterday, and I will never go back to that place, Anna. I will never go back to that place, but I wanted eyelashes because of Ratadilo. So we're gonna go home today. I'm excited. I'm on leave today, and I sent out goodbye limos yesterday on my project, so it was a bit sad, but deuces about. So Limpopo for Linyalo. Then I'm gonna pick up Judy in Pretoria.
Hello. Welcome to Dingus YouTube channel. Welcome. We are on the way to
Limpopo
for what?
for Linyalo.
Can never be us on a Friday. So, yeah.
We are making our way home for our cousin's wedding. And it's 8.
Because who's late?
I'm never late. This is like a situation.
Yeah, we're not late. Like, hey, hey, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Not me, please. So namichi N1 bomma. What's a man?
Ro nyanya. So this is where we are at. But it is why
You have to turn it off and then do the
so remote healing.
Fita sifako mahato.
By the Rafita mom. Hi.
I'm on a polo corner.
We are going home. So rejoining on this lovely journey. Oh, today will learn more than you.
Sure,
Feel romantic is really
I feel big, like how my life is big.
Really big life woman. Halopi eglusoki.
How let's be
Halopi eglusoki. I just feel big.
I feel big.
Okay, refitile France. Regular fein your mother, but keep. Okay, so such a keep.
We are at Kranskop.
Don't worry about food.
Ulelema.
That's him.
Nyaka yengwe. So kilobeti 3 hours. I am risking. Ukano shala mo ilo feel stay.
Odule kwa benching man.
The Kranskop. Unya koreka something mjudis. Eh?
Unya something man.
I don't know.
Flat.
Oh, okay, bathroom.
Maybe that.
Let's go.
Gate.
Let's go get something. Hello. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, na motor wale boat.
Bye.
It's blown out.
Bye, sweetie.
Jumul.
Chogoza in it.
Oh, phone swallow. Camera just the out top boy.
Kita may 110. This is the famous mountain of Mudimule. It was named Mudimule because people would go and never come back. So
the gods has eaten. man. Sally yet so this the mountain.
Chicken again. Ralabora. Take the flat check.
Only flats.
It's like you just pimple because more kaya but money ka di flat. Thank you. Maga. Abat man marka net. Bye.
Hello. Okay, my daisies.
We are at people kiri people.
People kiri alas. Finally.
Who is the psycho?
We are in the dusty streets of somewhere. Vacation. Vacation loading. Veki. We shut it. I want to yo, wasaring shate waduma. Wasaring shate is dooming.
And we are home. Come on. So I am home. We just got home and I'm so happy. Remember we got my gift. This is the packaging that we used. It's shoes, a smartwatch, a perfume, the keychain. The keychain, I got it for her in Thailand, so I just remember to bring it home now. Mo William Miracle. Arian Roman. Oh, I have a pimple. Hi, lady.
Hi, mommy. What lady?
Hi, lady.
Hi, my beautiful. Hi, my beautiful mom.
Hi, my beautiful. Happy no play sutile kanoi.
Now we are always up to standard.
Hello.
Leo guys, I don't know what I will do. I
Update. It is it is 22:47. I just came back from my cousin's house to get the bowl for the custard that we're making. I slept for 3 hours yesterday. I slept for 3 hours, and then now I don't get at all. So I'm functioning on 3 hours of sleep, and I'm probably not gonna sleep again. So kuningi. But let's go. I'm not gonna take you guys with because my phone is charging, but I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It's 6. I just left home and I'm Zoom. Hi. Hello, Zumba. Then I let you talk. Pinky girl. So I just left now. Get a apron. And Nere, what's this? Nere special for Morodi and stuff, but now Sanjira Frayna. So let's go. Meet. Get introduced.
Hi guys, this is Tato Maila, aka Little Sis.
Give my baby cousin. Baby cousin,
Baby.
Apa kena umrolo.
But a baby is a baby.
You're a baby to me.
Okay.
And then my juice. We are in charge of meat.
Under the table meat. Under the table meat. The one that you struggle to get. Oh yeah, di. Tlapala kwa para di.
Content.
Re tlo ntšha ka eng ka mo?
Ga le dula di le ntwa go di.
Catering company ka gae. The chef ke rena. Nama nice and golden.
Talaga di kupura cara taja dimpa jarena. Iyo iyo. Iyo iyo.
Update guys, Kinaliski is the most important room. The lady beverage here. Kadi ice so that it gets cold. They some in the fridge as well. But and guess I'm working man and this key. I have all the power, Sana. Dim.
Kena ila ntia mutsi kune amutsi angapeleja kakune bulla jwan hore kitsane kre deki chaba kina zari zara sari no chaba bara ga no chaba mara na na re ki ga ko buluka kwa ke sa pires ki phana ki tula ka bon atle ka kwa nje ba sha ya ba ba nka
Nelo maunruma skizitted maunruma skolong to quickly do something. No dirang. Yes, Clara.
Out from the arcade yesterday.
Okay. So Mama told you.
Huh?
Mama told you.
Yesterday?
Today. Odiang today.
I just woke up just now. I just eaten.
Okay. Mara Odiang today. Plans for the day, King. What are you doing today?
Soccer field?
Never.
12 of the morning. Top of the morning.
Oh, what up?
Mabande I started vlogging a lot because so ke Sunday ro check garagadi where they had the wedding, and then roya garagolo ba ishiteng majudis kan kagoya
Spedi.
yes
Re unyala. Like my cousin Khalanyala. And then mamare ke ragadi arena. So meaning gore the firstborn child wa ga chata sanje ba je khom ye ba itlhabileng ba ishe go malumiago. Then malumiago lena sanje apiye a create drinks, a create whatever, and then there's a mini celebration there. So now we are about the bride, and then we're gonna walk back down Harahulaka where my uncle stays, and then ro hudubato yeah.
so that's the plan for the day.
That's the plan for the day, and then later on wash
And
and one.
so Majudis explained it all.
Spedi. So the bride ke malumiare, but Rangwaniaren on our side because he's related to our dad. Ke Rangwaniarena. For the bride side ke Marathwa so ke malum. So if my dad Khalasa Pila, if Papa Rana Khalasa Pila, it was gonna go to our house. So now because Papa is late, then it needs to go to the younger brother. So in essence, Barim, the firstborn child, the woman, with the firstborn, the first brother, the elder brother, and then the secondborn. To the younger brother. But then in this case, because then the elder, then it will change, like it and then after the next one, I think, or probably it will still go because or maybe the first two and then the last two. Okay, so we learned something. Oh, I didn't know this. And then apparently the bride the intestines and then by roaster. Oh yes. And then the jwala basotho. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something on our channel. Bye now. Peace.
YouTube. What?
Okay,
God.
yes, skin.
You should all good.
Related, oh, come on,
Rangwani. Mamola or hello to Dinke's YouTube channel. So, okay, Rangwani repeat.
This is PMP Moaila Mahari. This is my channel.
Kichana. So, Rangwani $1. Hey, don't know what to channel.
I wasn't cool.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, get out of my
Tel are 5 years. I want to do Barakan. Can you examine Usara Techiga, Udisha, Ada Lohoye 1. Mamma 5 years, and make Mudish 3 years.
This is our mother. Hello. Mary, hello.
I will look like I can see your
This is my daughter.
This is my daughter.
My last born.
Yes.
And she's so respectful.
Dim loyal.
Likes cooking. Rural life.
She's a real cooker. The same as Chef Mali.
Same as mother.
Yes.
Same as your mother.
Yes. I'm the best cook.
The best golden rings.
Bagang order for cooking. They've got weddings, but
Company name.
weddings Hakishi. Hakishi catering company. I cook, man. You
and baking? Can you bake cake?
I want to anything my mom cannot do.
I'm jack of all trades, but master of everything, not none. Master of everything. I can mold it.
And then immediately rinka deco.
Deco, you're like my younger sister. We are the best.
Oh, the better style. This was.
Le sanetse le botse star. Le sanetse le mbaya mmoji. Ka uri mma ke mo kelela ka kanyana ka dimpana. Ele mme.
Ba re gale le celebrity maana ba mo lebeletse ba re ngwana o salela ke ro.
Oh, yes. No one else on us. Yes, I love it.
Ba salela ke ro ko ya flat.
Mama ranta ena special.
Okay, so this is the dress. Excuse, I was working here. So this is the dress. It has pockets, right? And then I bought a head wrap. Guys, also just to mention, this dress, Kichechi, the Mason Cavalli perfume that I've been, you guys know the one, the sample size that I got from Bokhobelo, and it still smells. What Saturday? Today is, what day is it today? Today is Thursday, and it still smells like I could go out and people would be like, oh my gosh, I need that perfume. Anyway, that's besides the point. So this is the refugee dress that I got. It has pockets. This is what it looks like. In a the back. And then this was, I think, 700. Yeah, it was 700. And then this was like 80 rand for the head wrap. So you could do it without the head wrap, but I thought it would look nice with the head wrap. Let me just make this like this so that I can go a bit further. This is the length. Right, I'm not wearing heels. This is the length, just so you have an idea. Yeah, it's giving Princess Cinderella who lost her glass slipper. So yes, this is what the dress looks like. I got it gold Lufidi. This was a size 30. I'm normally a size 36. This was a size 32, and they had to cut it kama siding because the size jabana a bit bigger. So if you're my size, 36, 38 ish, then you can get away with this size jabana ke jelo gold. So if you are like a 34, then maybe you could get away with a size 28, for example. Right, and then could by the remoki, by fokuja here, and then the sides as well. I asked them to fix the sides as well for the here, but the rest that it's able to snatch nyana and then be a bit. There's a cat. Oh, sorry, the cats piss me off because the usually does bean and then they eat dinner. Excuse, I have a heater here, so yeah, that was my dress over the weekend. A spin one more time. Yeah, so I couldn't show you guys on Saturday because it was busy, but this is the dress that I have. Good morning, my sweets. I am not happy. I look like a totai. Did I tell you guys what Lily didn't? I wanted to buy the swiri and I was like, it's in Gierai. So I got the lemon from home and the namune from our tree korai. So I saved Sana. So it is Friday. Thank God it's Friday, guys. I just like, you guys are gonna hear me complain a lot about my job and I hate it, but you guys just have to like send words of encouragement for me because I am going through the absolute most, Sana, like Diagoa, because I was never ready. I can't believe this is like where I am now. Like I can't believe it. I can't believe it. So yes, I wanted to say that I'm gonna go drop off laptop ya Banele we're gonna meet go sandwich, so I'm gonna go drop that off. I haven't had lunch, but I've been crying for days and days. Yesterday I spoke to Maid and she was like, no, you'll be fine. And I felt a bit better. My friends just have to deal with hearing me complain El Gadag. Like, I've complained to Lindo, just everyone who cares to listen. I'm just like, listen, Diagoa, like, akazni okay ni. So that's that. I'm glad it's the weekend. I can just forget about work for a few days. I know I'll probably be thinking and stressing about Monday already, but I cannot choice, I guess. I just have to do it. I spoke to my previous projects PM and he was like, how can I help? Shem, he set up a meeting for next week and he's like, let me know what you need and then we'll do it together. And I was like, oh, that is so sweet. So someone is pinging me. Gosh, I can't catch a break. I'm gonna edit today and just be positive. Try to be positive about the whole thing. Like, whenever you guys see me, please give me a big hug and tell me that everything is gonna be okay, and send me love and hugs and kisses and everything else, because Sana, I am not okay. I am definitely not okay. But bye guys. Oh, I was just about to say, I was in a meeting and someone was like, oh, welcome to the Project Daisy and condolences. And I screamed. I said, ah. I know it's not screamed before little correct. I screamed. I was like, what? And then people bursted out laughing because this project is a circus. It's a dog's breakfast, and the cherry on top is that it's a dude show. So a ring sandwich. I wanted to show you guys Dintojak. It's not the same. The pants I got from Foshini, and then this jacket was well, it wasn't given to me. I took it from someone. But mechanyana, it's not bad. It's cute, nyana, like a oversized thingy, pants, winter vibes, young totty, bucket head, leather. Okay, let me go before Banela calls me and it's like, Daisy.
What do I want to say?
What happened there?
Don't get injured at work, people.
Do they pay you? If you have 70k, please give me 10. Guys, this is Bongani.
I hope so, I hope so.
Introduce yourself, Pela.
Hi guys, Bongani, also known as Banele,
AKA Banza.
aka Mr. Always on Tinder.
Mr. Take Your Chick.
Yeah, no, guys, I injured my foot,
That looks bad. Let's get you a boot.
Missed a couple of stairs. No, so, because it's, this.
Hannah got me flowers. So sweet. He was like, you need to mix it up. I was like, yes. I'm just moving this. So these are my cute flowers. Thank you, Bongs. I feel so much better about my life. Sanji could do a picture. Because he promised to get us flowers when we got our promotions and he never did. Well, these flowers are not for that. They're for something else, but still one color. So please buy girls flowers. Well, me. It was my girlfriend. Let me put them go meeting quickly. Okay, there's my flowers. Good morning. Good morning. It is Saturday. Let me put you guys here in my favorite spot. Wait, let me find. I am waiting for Bukhobelo to come pick me up for us to go to the shooting range. range, whatever. So yeah, I'm wearing a normal black top, leggings, sneakers, and then after we want to do club club Como and it's Morningside. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And I woke up stressed about work because I'm like, weekend day when it's Saturday, you already know that the problems are waiting for you. So I'm already stressed, but hopefully this makes me feel better about my life. I'll come back home and then I'll edit, and obviously I'll take you guys with. So let's go. Let me show you on the mirror what I'm wearing. So it's like I said, leggings, top or sneakers, and a handbag. If I do wear shades, I have these. I don't know if they are my outfit, but I thought I'm too black. So I'll wear these if I need shades. Does it look weird? Or is it too much? I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I'll just take these with. If I don't like them, then I won't wear shades. But I don't know if can I post gun stuff on YouTube. I don't know. I'll see if other people have posted before, and it doesn't violate any whatevers, and then I'll post it as well.
Long time. I missed you.
Oh boy. What is it come okay? Morning. Good, how are you? Can I get it? I can still hear. Okay. Oh, I can hear. Come on. There's a little knob. Go. Maybe it did that. Remetje wat het. Ook wel een hele trouw. Extra bras.
This one just holding the gun, this grips here. Let me just show you the grips. See there? Finger is always away. You understand it? A little bit forward here. Okay. Now grab this hand properly. Okay? Aim to the target. You see, this is, you need to bend a little bit forward. Come forward. Your legs a little bit, no. Like this. Like this? Yes. Yeah. Now you have it like that. You see? Yes. You basically look through that gap. You see that gap there? Yeah. Can you see the front?
Yeah.
Can you see this one in front?
Yeah.
Okay, when you now look through there, you look.
It might just be me.
The barrel is still a little bit high.
It's like the shooter, yeah.
Okay, go against the front here. Lean against it. Yeah, that's it. Remember, this thing is going to come back. You see, that's just what it's going to do. If you have 2 rounds in, then you're going to be, if there's 18 in here, you're going to already be here. Okay? Now lean more forward. Arms. That's it. Now go look through my finger there. You see my finger there? Yeah. Can you see that thing there in front?
Yes.
Okay. Now when you're going to, this thing is going to go forward. Put your finger on.
This was fun. It was. Back.
Look at your front side.
Finished shooting. Yeah, we done. So much fun. At first, but yeah, when you get the hang of it, I will shoot
but also
you.
Your arms get tired.
Do not try me, son.
We are ready. Try me.
We wanna get guns, the cute tiny ones.
Yeah.
Or ready sniper.
No, not sniper.
These ones.
Definitely not sniper.
The women in South Africa. Let someone try you, Umunche. Those ones are pushing it.
You keep it in your, if you live on a farm or something.
Brings with it. 30 hertz straight up.
Can you taste it?
Actually joyful. I love it.
You not licking?
Spicy pepper, but there's nothing spicy about it. It's just like,
Also, I'm not a fan of pizza.
this is nice. I'm enjoying it. It's a little sour, you know.
I don't like it. Okay, let me try it again. But flip like they have rocked.
No.
It's not bad.
30 hertz straight up.
Did you try the middle one? I forgot about getting it.